This model kit review is of the 1979 Chevy Camaro, the Z28, and this is Billy Hargrove's Camaro from Stranger Things. That's from the Netflix show. This is really just a reboxed version. It's a 1/24 scale model by Revell. It's got some nice box art. Here are the dimensions and colors. Here's some pictures of the finished model, and it's got this kind of purpley hue to it. Looks like it's some nice detail, but let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Well, so first of all, let's have a look here at the main body. And it's a very nicely molded body. Some nice details here, recessed lines for our body panels. We've got a visible engine bay. So that's actually quite a nice molding. Let's have a look at the rest of these sprues here. Quite a few parts here. Here is our front bumper with the headlights. We've got seats. We've got looks like wheel hubs here. That's the top of our engine with a distributor cap there. Air intake. Here's our hood. Hopefully be able to have that up and down. Here is our cabin or cockpit tub with rear seats put in, our central console. Over here we've got our radiator. There's our rear bumper, steering wheel, our instrument panel and dashboard. Here's our engine and transmission, more engine parts. Headers, we've got our fan. It's kind of weird how that's molded with the fan right into the middle of that. Here is our side mirrors. This molding quality is average. Definitely got some mold lines. This is an old molding. This is from 1979. That's when that molding is from. Here are the different wheels for two different versions. So some nice options there. More engine parts here. There's the supercharger. More engine parts. Looks like a front grille. Here we've got our chassis and exhaust system with our rear axle, leaf springs, drive shaft. Here's the front. This is our front suspension subframe there. And then we've got other hoods here, including one for the supercharger to stick out of. And there's a little fire extinguisher and then some wider rear hubs. Over here we've got our tires. They all look pretty similar. Just a final. And here are the glasses, the windshield here, and there is our rear glass with the defroster, and it almost looks like this is supposed to be for a, I don't know if that's supposed to be for a T-top. Let's have a look inside and see. We've got some decals for the Z28, different options there. So I guess that's if you're not doing the one from Stranger Things. Quite nice looking part there. Let's see. Colors. Here are the colors needed. And more on the back part here. There are the parts listing, parts that are not used. That's going to be the T-top parts. Here are the rest of the parts and some of the ones that are not used there. Okay, so you've got 4 different versions. Those are actually quite nice options there. So street and race, I don't really see a whole lot of difference, maybe just the wheels there. There's the stock version, it's not bad either. And then there's the Stranger Things version, which is really the point of this whole kit, because you can get these other options from another kit. So wheels there, and start to build the chassis. Here's the rear leaf spring with axle and exhaust, and then the other wheels there with tires. Putting that on and mounting that to the chassis. Now we're starting to build the engine. So that means that this is for these 2 versions, and that's for those 2 versions. And rest of the parts there. So really the difference is that the street and race versions have the supercharger and the larger air intake. Here are the seats, and starting to put the dashboard and cabin together. Looks like we've got a roll bar option there. Okay, and this is the how to paint the outside, and this is really just saying depending on which color you want. Putting our glass in and then mounting the body on. So there's the air intake for the stock or Stranger Things version radiator going on there. Here's the bumper. The race version, I guess you don't use the grill. Headlights going on. There's the hood and the front going on. There's the rear going on there. Side mirrors. And then here's the paint and decal guide. And it's actually quite a nice model. I like the fact that you have a lot of options. And it's got a lot of detail. And that'll be a great build.